Hi, my name is Brian Heenan, and today I'm going to be going over the first project and portfolio classwork. In this class, we developed a portfolio on GitHub, a, um, built out a code base with this homework. So I'm going to go over the homework first. The first portion was to build out a menu that the player could use to select the different coding challenges. Then the different coding challenges were built out. So you can use any of these coding challenges, the swap name, backwards, age convert, temp convert, big blue fish, to use. And then the validation script is just where I centralized the validation methods for working with different inputs from the user. So a quick kind of rundown of how this works. We'll just play this. So you can pick what you want to do. Let's say go here. Boom. Oh, I didn't mess that up. It should have been my last name. I wasn't paying attention, so reversing my last name would be last name, my first name, and then that. And then I can return to the menu and go from there. So it's kind of just a core loop here, where I would enter in some words, and then from there you can go. And so I have checks in here where you can see whether or not I entered all the words or not. And that is kind of how that program works. Moving on to the GitHub, we went over and started a repository for our portfolio work. So I added the project and portfolio work, the SDI work from the previous month, some of my work from the game design degree, and then in there we had different activities, different documents to work on, and some research stuff. And then we built out a Kanban board. So we have this, and as you see, I'm still working on the showcase and the final exam, which is what we're talking about right now. Everything else has been completed, and that is kind of the core of how the month worked. Got a lot of good feedback. Was able to learn a lot about the different coding things that I hadn't done with game design, which tends to be more of a physics-based programming. And so really learning to work with strings and manipulate them in different and interesting ways has been great. Thank you for your time.